First of all, it's quite a ghastly incident, painful incident. Today, after meeting Mr. Madhusudan's family, and right now Mr. Chandramauli's family, it's very difficult even for me after going through, after understanding, after hearing what they had gone through, and even to speak to media, even not getting enough strength to speak to. In the name of religion, targeting people targeting based on religion, it's a very clear-cut target killing. From 1986 to 89, we all used to visit Kashmir for Telugu films, and I had worked for 2 films. And I knew then how the situation had changed from 86 to 89. And I used to have a lot of Kashmiri Pandits who used to work for us. And from that particular time period to now, I feel it is a revival of Hindu genocide. That's what I feel. And I would like to, the perpetrators, the terrorists, whoever they had done, whoever are behind this, they should be brought to justice of any kind. Whatever is right, they should be brought. I think national leadership and PM Modi ji and Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji, I think the entire Indian government of India, I think they should take, I believe that they'll take stern action.
So you're a believer of all religions. You're a believer of all religions. You've respected all religions. Right now there's a social media war and a lot of targeting of innocent people just because they say there are other religions and most Hindus have been killed. What do you have to say?
In Kashmir there is a Hindu genocide. There is no doubt about it. And this incident had shown it. And for the time being, this heat will be there. But as a Hindu society, we believe in everyone. We believe in respecting other religions. But the sad part is these terrorists, they don't have that. They have targeted exclusively Hindus and eliminated them, and they emptied the magazine. The most saddest part, most cruel part is like they emptied the magazines in each one. And even the worst, the most painful part to look at is even to look at the deceased body, even to look at their face is not there. In both the situation which I had been since morning, and killing husband in front of a wife, killing your father in front of kids, and it is unimaginable, which had never happened before. I think now the time has come to take quite a stern action.
So millions of Indians shared the pain.
Pakistan.
Millions of
More than
Indians
5
shared the pain
taken
in
by
across the
Indian
world.
government. How can you react on this issue?
Yeah.
Millions of Indians across the world are sharing this pain. You and I among several of them who are sharing this pain. Lot of blame game that is going on out here. Dirty politics that is being played. Your response?
This is not the time for a blame game or for any kind of petty politics. It's about coming together. It's all about, for me, the question is always, somewhere in Middle East, a bomb blast in Palestine, the entire supporting groups come together. I think we should do the same. I think when Hindus are being targeted in Kashmir, this is not the first time. In recent time, this is such ghastly incident, but if you look at the genocide of Pandits, and everyone knows about it, I myself have an experience from 86 to 89 before the genocide started. I think from then, I think we tried to conveniently choose only one aspect. I said, this is a fact whether entire nation, I am being a Hindu, I respect all religions, and definitely would like to say, we don't say this is done by one group like it. We are not getting into a blame game, but the fact is, within Bharat, there is this particular incident has created a great terror within Hindu community. There is no second thought about it. There is no second thought about it. And the action which has been taken by the government, I think that's the first step to make sure how hurt we are and how interdependent economies are. I think Pakistan should understand before sponsoring such kind of actions.
Will you also join other nations in taking a call against terrorist organizations, call for other nations to also join in boycotting these kinds of...
I tell you, normally in this kind of circumstances, people are scared to speak. When such kind of activities, such kind of atrocities happen, everyone will try to mince their words. They want to be politically right. They don't want to brand it. They want to. They don't want to be on the wrong. They want to be on the neutral side. Not like they don't want to speak complete truth. Here, the blame is not about Muslims or something. It is about 100% terrorists who practice Islam, and they have targeted Hindus. This is the fact. This cannot be denied. That does not mean where everyone blaming Muslims or Islam. It's not about that. The terrorists are Muslims. There is no second thought about it, and they have targeted Hindus. And this is what the fact is. Let us stick to the fact. There is nothing wrong in it. But we are not trying to say this is the situation. I mean, there is no trying to create a kind of approach. They are not trying to create an animosity. It's not about that. But justice has to be done. And if everyone hears to each and every story of what for each and every family, the deceased people, and the pain is immense, and it cannot be contained. It should be shared. And this is what each and every Indian should understand. Somewhere in Palestine, a bomb blast, entire globe comes together. And the same thing happens in Kashmir. It had happened in Kashmir before. And 3 lakh Kashmiri Pandits have been, it's a kind of forced exodus. They left with none had spoken then. At least right now, the entire nation should come together. They should come together. They should stick together. It's not about animosity. It is about accepting a fact. Hindus are exclusively being targeted. This is a fact. I think we should come to that. We should accept it. And everyone, irrespective, I appeal to all Indians, all my fellow countrymen, to make sure, irrespective whether you are a Muslim, you are a Hindu, you are a Christian, no matter who you are, this is the time all of us should come together, not to do petty politics, not to blame game, or who is at fault. It's not about that. It is, I think, such incidents should not happen, should not be repeated. I think this incident we should take. All of us should take it as a great lesson. We should come together in such tragic moments like this, and make sure this government of India, and the leadership of PM Modi, I think it will take a stern action. I believe it will take a stern action, and whoever are the perpetrators and the people who operate these puppets, I think they should be brought to justice.
Sir, central government has taken action against Pakistan nation. It's depending on both country people, not the political leaders. How can we react to this issue? Pakistan people will not be permitted to travel in India. Even water also stopped from...
That's the price one has to pay. This is war. When you're doing a proxy war, a war is between two armed individuals, two armed armies. If army and Indian army and Pakistan army fighting, that's a different story. Here you're targeting innocent individuals who are killed in front of the kids. in front of their wives. And when they have started a war. And how could you say conveniently we cannot be there? We have to take some actions. People will suffer. But that's the concept. Nobody wants a war. But if they have created a war, then these are the consequences. We cannot avoid it.
So your stern warning to such organizations that
Is bothered about them. Because I think if you love this nation, you have to handle terrorism. Even for example in Coliseum in Kanishka bombing. That's what I said in the morning. A bomb blast somewhere, the tremors could be felt all over India. Even somewhere in the 80s, Kanishka bombing happened. The tremor went, even it reached till East Godavari in Andhra Pradesh. An entire family had been wiped out, whom I know, who was the recipient of Padma Shri Award, Mr. Sankuratrishan. His family had been wiped out in Kanishka bombing. Somewhere it was about to it took off in Canada, and I think bomb blast happened. Entire family got wiped out. So this is any terrorist act, no matter what. Even I was there in USA in 9/11, and I had witnessed even that particular situation. I was there. I was in Los Angeles then. And anyway, no matter where a terrorist attacks at a global level, I think it should be condemned equally, and I think people should come together, unite together. I think they should overcome these religious and cultural or whatever the borders are. Borders are there between us. I think we should be wiped out. I think we should stand united in such situations.